hello. I really wanted this week to do like a hairstyle video. I've been experimenting with my hair and I've got a few favourite hairstyles now. I know. This really takes me back to when we used to do hairstyle videos all the time. But yeah, here are my favourite hairstyles at the moment and how to do them for yourself. These work on long and short hair, so don't worry about it. Whatever hair length you have. We're not hair length discriminatory. I've got the Wednesday Addams theme tune stuck in my head. I haven't even watched it. It's just TikTok. My whole TikTok is Wednesday Addams. What is this? Wednesday Addams. Those weird little like memes I made when I was on sleeping pills or something. And like people knitting. The first hairstyle that I literally can't get enough of at the moment. I went into Tesco's the other day. I just picked up these hair clips and it came in a pack of 4. Feel like I really got ripped off, but it's fine because I've worn them a lot. It's really simple. You take one clip, you put it there. It's really difficult for me to see what I'm doing. Tuck it up there. Now the question is, where do I put the other clips? And then you just do the same to the other side. I like the way my hair looks when it's tucked behind my ears. Like clip it behind my ears, you know. Kind of makes me feel like a child. What happened to my voice then? I suddenly turned into Gollum. This is one that I've gone back to quite a lot recently. For pigtails, I always take out a few front pieces. I've got one of these clips that the hairdressers had. I got it when I was really little because I saw the hairdressers had them and for some reason I became obsessed. But they're quite useful. So what you do is you just literally scrape it down the middle of your head to create the parting and separate your hair onto either side. So I've got 2 sections. Take my hairbrush and brush my head down because I feel like it's more flattering that way on my head, and scoop it back into a little pigtails. I like having mine quite near the bottom of my head but further round towards the back of my head so that when you look straight on you can't see it. Just do the same with the other side. The tricky bit is making sure that they're even. I'm just gonna take some clips and clip the rest of my hair kind of flat because otherwise it just falls out. For the front bits you could definitely just leave them as they are, but I prefer to straighten them to curve to the shape of my face. Grab your straightener. This is what I do for all of my hairstyles where I have my front bits out. Grab my straightener, you put it on and you twist it as if going in an arc around your head. I'll show you like this. You grab it and you go round like that, but like towards the side of your head. Like that. It just kind of frames the face a little bit. I'm going to do the same clips and straighten the other side and then I'll be back. And that's how you do the little pigtails one. Right, so this next one is essentially the same. You keep the hair where it is. I then get one of my pigtails and I twist it like so and point it so that the end of my hair is pointing up, and twist hairband around it to form like a little bun thing. Grab a little pin and I just like to secure the top just so I know it's not going to fall out. And there you have it. The messier they are, the more I like them, so I tend to just, you know, throw them up and then let them fall out a bit. They're so quick and easy to do. It's actually ridiculous to not do them. So, and also you can see that the fringe slowly drops out. For the next one I'm just going to keep the fringe pieces forwards because I'm still going to use them and I don't want to mess them up. Grab all your hair and put it into a low ponytail. I'm going to do the pins again just to hold it flat against my head. There we go. I mean, these honestly are so easy that it feels like I'm babying you a little bit by telling you how to do them, but it's I enjoy talking through it. So you got your low ponytail, just turn it into a bun by, well, I twist it like that and then fasten it, and voila. I actually really prefer messier hairstyles, so as you can probably tell I don't spend much time trying to get it perfect because honestly I just prefer it more natural. So next one, what you got to do is you've just got to keep the front pieces out this time and scrape the rest of your hair up. Instead of it like being a low ponytail this time though, I'm going for a mid-ground ponytail. So something more like this height. And fasten that off. Now obviously you could just leave it like this. However, I like sometimes, depends how I'm feeling, to take the front pieces and pin it back. You can use like the big clips, or you could get the smaller ones. I call this the Bella Hadid ponytail, mainly because my friend called it that and I was like, wait, it kind of does look like hers. So for this hairstyle, I've just put my hair into a low ponytail again. I didn't show you because we've already done that. I also can't find my green claw clip and I genuinely really don't know where I've put it. Just gonna grab my hair and twist it up. Now the claw clip is way too big for my hair, so I kind of put it a little bit below it. Like that. And then you get like the little tuft at the top. I think I need to cut these front bits a bit shorter, except I'm not doing it myself this time. Oh my god, last time I cut my own hair was in lockdown, and I had a bit of a phase of doing it, so I'd cut it every day or so. I didn't cut like the main bit of it, I just cut the fringe bits, and I ended up with like little pieces that would like spring to this level. So I've waited far too long for those to grow out to cut it in again. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave my hair like this today. Fell in love in a horrible place. Those are all the hairstyles that I'm kind of revolving through at the moment. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it was helpful for you. I can see my camera's flashing at me and it's going to die and I'm absolutely terrified. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful for you and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Au revoir. Ciao. Run out by tears. Absolutely run out. My brain at the moment is absolutely empty. Don't think my brain's ever been empty. However, can you do that thing where you just sit there and don't think of anything? Because I can't, and it's actually really fun sometimes just to do that. Because it makes a nice change. I can't remember, I think I was younger and people would always be like, can you just think of nothing? And I was like, no. And so then I like forced myself to sit there and, oh, I had a meditating phase. I swear everyone had a meditating phase. If you didn't, that's gonna make me feel really, really strange. But I had a meditating phase where I would just sit there and meditate and I'd close my eyes and think I was levitating. But I don't actually, well, I don't think I was, but my eyes were closed, so who would know? What the fuck?